Shameless old woman, they shed skin like reptiles. Very dark man dragged Madam Shaje for using brightening bath soap. Do what to click on subscribe, express yourself in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up like. Prominent social media analyst, Very Dark Man, has once again stirred controversy by calling out veteran actress Fausat Balogun, also known as Madam Shaje, for endorsing a brightening bath soap while questioning the legitimacy of the product. Recall that Madam Shaje had earlier shared a video of herself endorsing brightening bath soap products. In the promotional video, Madam Shaje was seen showcasing the soap while emphasizing its potential to brighten the user's skin. Reacting to Madam Shaje promotional video, Very Dark Man accused Madam Shaje of promoting a beauty product that might not have met the required standard. In his fiery post, Very Dark Man alleged that Madam Shaje had tricked been to endorse a brightening bath soap without a NAFDAC registration number after his investigation. He captioned the video with "Women don dey shed skin like reptiles now, who dey change mommy skin?" It just recalled that Madam Shaje faced a flurry of reactions on social media after she advertised a brightening bath soap. The advertisement, which featured the actress endorsing the product, quickly garnered attention and commentary from netizens. In the promotional video, Madam Shaje was seen showcasing the soap while emphasizing its potential to brighten the user's skin. However, this advertisement sparked a variety of reactions from the online community, as many social media users teased of the actress for promoting a whitening product. Most reactions made reference to controversial online activist Very Dark Man, who had earlier dragged some celebrities for advertising bleaching cream without NAFDAC registration. Reactions. These are people reactions. Mommy to very dark man, Baba Gbanyimu. Mama Very Dark is whispering. Mommy Very Dark Man. Okay, Mommy Very Dark Man is coming for you. Mama, you don't hold far. Very Dark Man typing. At Very Dark Black Man, we need full explanation on this. Very Dark Man, please do findings on this, bro. Shey NAFDAC don't approve it. Are you sure of what you're advertising, mommy? Ìyá ti kó bá ní NAFDAC number. Ẹ wà very careful. Thank you for listening to us. And please don't forget to click on subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up like. Go to the comment section and contribute. Thank you.